Two big names in the world of web hosting, one budget-friendly, one built for power. Which one really delivers? On the left, HostGator, the all-in-one hosting powerhouse. And on the right, Namecheap, known for budget-friendly domains and hosting. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, just to keep things crystal clear, here what we're stacking up today. Price, performance, security, support, ease of use, and yep, domain services. This is basically the cheat sheet for hosting newbies and pros alike. So price, oh boy, this is where things get spicy. Starting with HostGator, you do get a bunch of features baked in, but honestly the price can creep up fast. Setup fees, yeah, sometimes. Renewal fees too. Not my favorite surprise. Now Namecheap rolls out with the lowest entry price, just $1.58 a month. You even score a free domain for the first year and not a single hidden fee in sight. Sure, you get fewer resources per plan, but for budget hunters that's tough to beat. I mean, between these two, Namecheap is kind of the price champ here. Let's talk speed and reliability, performance. HostGator hits over 99.99% uptime on paper. It's got a way snappier average response time, like 525 milliseconds, and outages. They're super rare. Front-end optimization lags a bit, but it's like, hey, that's pretty nitpicky. Jumping over to Namecheap, it's decent. Page loads around 1 second, and GT metrics even gives it a 93%. But the uptime dips a bit closer to 99.82%. Outages happen more often, which can be a headache if you're running something critical. So for performance, HostGator is definitely taking the trophy. Now, security, everybody's favorite source of anxiety, right? HostGator serves up free SSL and has a server-level firewall, but if you want advanced protection, well, just be ready to pay extra. Namecheap's got free SSL too, plus some nice bonuses, free DDoS protection, domain privacy, and automated backups. But you know, it sticks to mostly basic security features out of the box. Honestly, both do a solid job here, so I'm calling this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know HostGator's mascot Snappy is actually one of the most recognized icons in the hosting world? Yeah, that little alligator pops up everywhere. Alright, if you get stuck, who's gonna bail you out faster? With HostGator, you've got 24/7 live chat and phone support. They usually sort issues out pretty quickly, but I gotta say, high demand can mean longer waits. Namecheap runs the 24/7 live chat too, and their ticket system is fine, but it's slower than good old live chat. In terms of support, HostGator definitely pulls ahead. Ease of use, let's get real, nobody wants to wrestle with a clunky dashboard. HostGator jumps in with a modern, super intuitive setup, and onboarding is pretty smooth. Sometimes you'll see a few upsells because you know everyone wants you to upgrade these days. Namecheap, their interface is clean and native, big win for beginners, but if we're nitpicking, it feels slightly old school compared to HostGator. Overall, HostGator makes things easier, hands down. Last but not least, domain services. HostGator does offer domain registration, but honestly nothing blows me away here. The perks are pretty minimal and you don't get a free domain. Namecheap, total leader in domains. You get one free for your first year and their management tools are just plain simple. Sure, hosting resources aren't their specialty, but if domains are your jam, Namecheap is king in this category. Let's take a look at the big picture. A quick glance at our radar chart shows how each service stacks up across all categories. You can see right away where strengths and quirks pop out. So, wrapping it all up, if you want solid reliability, better speed, and support you can actually count on when things go sideways, HostGator's kind of a no-brainer. But if your budget's tight and domain management is top priority, Namecheap is really hard to beat. It all depends on what you care about most. If this comparison helped clear things up, go ahead and save it. This way, whenever you or your buddy need to pick a web host, you've got all the key info right at your fingertips.